on the I'm having to go slow here because it is pretty messed up. Right, it's a lot messed up actually. I'm trying to take my time here, but it's a bit bloody thingy. What do you call it? Slippy. Got the old hellhound in the back. We're just crossing over the Manchester Ship Canal. That way it looks a bit goosed as well, doesn't it? Yeah. Fuck. Everywhere is just frozen solid. There you go. There's the man's ship. There you go. No boats. Ship's not frozen, but then again they'll have to have tankers going through it. Cargo ships. So that'll break all the ice up. Yeah. I'm just gonna pull up here somewhere and have a little walk with a dog. Slap it here, I think. Got some ice to contest with up here. Back in a minute. Yes, people. Today is really freezing. Out with Arla. Just me today. I wasn't planning on anyone else coming today. It's nice to have one of my mates with me to go for a walk with, but sometimes I find I can't really do me any proper. I can't really video much, you know, because you've got to talk and stuff, as in to your mate. So it's a bit harder to do the videos. But then that lad that I went out with yesterday, he does bring a bit of a comedy element to it, which is quite fun. But yeah, it's just me and a dog today. Bit solo. It's pretty beautiful though. You know, that's how cold it is. It's all like all the icicles are just stuck to the trees. And now come in here, we'll go and try this place for a sec. Fresh snow. That's how cold it is. The snow's frozen. No, I know snow is frozen. But yeah. Well, something you don't like it. You got fresh snow to belt around in. It is relatively deep. Go on then, Nala, go. Here you go. Hit a leg in it. Pretty gorgeous, isn't it? And the moon up there in the background. At the back. Into a little wooded area. Ooh, it's cold in the shade. Wow, it is cold in the shade. Properly. Lovely. Come on then, Nala. It's quite deep down there actually. Yeah. Again, it's one of them mornings where I've not really got much to report actually. But figures of it. You won't want to fall down there in a hurry. Camera's probably not doing it very much justice, but yeah, it's a long way down. It's just nice to get out in it. Get out and get amongst it, you know what I mean? That's what this what's about. Get amongst it, people. Yeah, man. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Don't look like anyone's been through here in a while. Something about the snow, isn't there? And you know what I mean? Just does make everything look a bit like so enhance it. It makes things look beautiful and not magical and that's weird. Yeah. Bit of a ski slope. Shit, knew what that was, a bit slippy. But you don't want to go on your ass now. God, that's slippery. Fuck it hell. Go on then, Tanala. You go down the other way. Coming behind me. You put me on my backside. Daft dog. There's a handrail there, but it's freezing my hand off. Good bridge. Yeah, don't go on that now, you'll do a Dave Mac. You can see it's not that. Ooh. Just spotted we're going to go that way. Stay away from those. Because I've been anti-social bastard. Yeah, just trying to think what there is to yarn about actually. Not too much. Today's Friday. I've still been planning to go over and see Olive. That boat that's beached on the beach. Where the canal's breached on the Bridgewater Canal. There's some people there, I mentioned it before, that they vlog. I've forgotten the name of the channel, I think it's the Taylors or something. Still need to go over there actually. Yeah, Dave, that's what you're on about. Look. It's cracking. Fail, and that was deep. A lot. Shit bananas. Come on down, that's messed up that. I better in the middle. Shit. Look at that, Dave. Oh, this is well worse than the other day. well worse. If you listen carefully, every step. Shit. You see the bottom? Oh no. Oh, it's gonna go, I can hear it. It's wet there, shit. No, don't come parching through because you'll fucking ruin it. Jesus. I thought staying by the side was a bad idea because that's where it normally cracks. But... well, these boots, bloody, went up to me, went up to like halfway up my boot, and it's not let any water in. Shit, no, they went again then. Which is pretty decent. Whoa! You know it's not a good idea when it cracks under your dog's weight. It's shit. Fucking hell. Oh shit. Whoa, going through here. Back on the snow. That's pretty cool, that. There you go, Dave. It's I'm in the old canal. If you look behind me there, you can see the wall, canal wall, and the other side of the canal wall is the one in the middle. Obviously it's not used anymore because there's no water in the back. Well, it is, as we just discovered. But yeah, we'll just keep stomping on through. That's a bit of a topicless fucking video, this, because I haven't really got anything to say really. Apparently the freeze is gonna stop soon, and we're gonna end up I think there's an area of high pressure coming in, and that'll bring with it probably rain, but a bit of warmer air, 2-3 degrees, and then all this lovely, beautiful, enchanting scenery will become, as it normally looks in this time of year, dead and soggy. It's a hazard. Big old tree gone down there. Look. It's what happens in this country though. A lot of the UK haven't got this. It mainly seems to be North Wales. Us, we're right by North Wales. And some inland bits, and obviously Scotland. But down south, I was talking to my mate down there, and he said it's gorgeous. Lovely. It's rain like that up here, mate. It's gorgeous, but it's freaking cold. Oh yeah, man. That's what we're on with. Keeping ourselves active. I hate doing it. This is the bit of vlogging that I don't, YouTubing or whatever you want to call it, that I don't like doing, because I feel a bit of a muppet. You know, when people are around, I'm there talking into a camera and they can hear what I'm saying and that. I wouldn't give a shit if it was by my ear, you know what I mean? I want to call, but I just always feel a little bit strange doing this. Because it is fucking strange, isn't it? You're walking along talking to a freaking camera, talking to a camera about nothing. So it is inherently an odd thing to do. But it's what I like doing when I'm out walking. It's what I like doing. Yeah, so saying it's Friday night. It's Friday today, Friday night. Still doing that dry January thing. So there'll be no drinky poos for me tonight. It'll consist mainly of scran. I'll tell you what, it's good. I've been watching that, the penguin. You know where that Irish actor for Colin Farrell, they put him in like a bodysuit, put all like cosmetic, you know, whatever they call it, makeup and stuff on him to make him look like someone else. It is so believable. Like, you forget it's Colin Farrell, you instantly forget, and he proper dives into the role, and it is good, and I mean good. I don't know what kind of TV series is you like. It's on a level with, I think it's a bit better than Tulsa King. It's up there with, is it The Godfather of Harlem? It's up there with, it's probably better than that, to be fair. That's Sheet Ice. It's a couple below Breaking Bad, but I've not seen it all yet, so it could get Breaking Bad level. But it is absolutely brilliant, really good. I'm looking forward to a few blasts on that tonight when I get it, when I get settled. After everyone baggers off. Nala, come here. Because Sharon's out, she's out tonight. She's going for a carry with her pals. Alicia's out with one of her pals. She's going. Went over there. She's going to a pub for a party or something. So it'll just be me on me Roger, which is okay. I can tuck into that. Like I say, just be scran and finish off that episode of the Penguin. I might go out and see some friends, but it's a bit shit when everyone else is getting on it and you got to sit there with a cup of tea. Fuck that. Right, I'll end it here. See you in a minute. Well, we got out of that. The eternal friggin'. So there's the canal there. I've just been in that water behind me. Battery low, gotta go.